Hi everyone, this is a quick bird behavior video. The starlings made it back to the feeder today. I try to keep them away, but this time they met the woodpecker, who doesn't like them very much. So this is what happens when the two meet. So that was pretty much it. Now you see what happens. The woodpecker is the resident bird. The European starlings are definitely invasive. They come in a giant flock and try to take over feeders. But at least some of the birds can fight them off, but most can't. So it is good to keep them away when you can.